bought this hammer at the weekend with the intention of turning it into a slightly finer fluting hammer than I currently own. The hammer cost me about 50p and should take about 40 minutes to grind to its new shapes. You can reforge them, but the purpose of this video really is just to show if you don't have forging equipment yet, all you need is a grinder realistically, and you can turn old hammers, as long as they start at more or less the right shape, into the hammer that you need, and save an awful lot of money. I had a little look online at the type of hammer that I was after for this video, and I think it was about £35 for a new one, some of them going as high as 70 odd pounds. So a reasonable saving for a 50p hammer that I'll repurpose in this video. So all done and changed and altered from the original hammer to a nice pick on one end and the fluting section on the other. Greasing with a good general purpose hammer, a bit daintier on the cross section compared to a couple of my earlier ones, which are now proving a bit clumsy for some of the finer work. So there you go, 50 pence in all, and realistically I said 40 minutes, but with tea breaks and bits and pieces about 2 hours all in. But you can see you don't need to be able to forge these hammers down. All you need is a grinder and a bit of patience and half an idea of where you're heading, and you can change these hammers to suit your needs really cheaply instead of the 35 odd quid that would have been.